In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page titles on Google Sites fast and easy. Google Sites is a great tool for creating websites, whether it's for personal use, businesses, or educational purposes. Adding titles to your pages not only forms a clean layout, but also enhances the professionalism and usability of your site. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Google Sites. This is your starting point. Simply type Google Sites into your web browser's search bar and hit Enter. Once on the home page, you'll be greeted with a list of sites that you own or have access to. Pick the one you're working on by selecting it. This will take you to the editor interface. Now that you're in the site's editing area, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu filled with various options. Locate and click on the Pages tab. This tab is essential as it displays all the current pages of your site and allows you to add and arrange them as needed. Once you have navigated to the page you wish to edit, find the title area at the top of the page. It's a large text box-like area meant specifically for your page's title. Click into this box to start typing your desired title. Make it relevant and easy to understand, so visitors grasp the subject of the page immediately. With your cursor in the title box, you'll notice a toolbar appears. This toolbar provides options to adjust the font style, size, and alignment of your title text. Don't hesitate to experiment with these settings until you find a look that resonates with your website's theme and feels visually appealing. Remember, consistency in font style and size across your site contributes to cohesive and professional aesthetics. Additionally, Google Sites offers flexibility by allowing you to change the header type of your title section. Click on the Header Type option, usually found alongside the Title Settings menu. Choose from various styles, like cover, banner, or title only, to match the appearance and structure that best suit your content and design preferences. After customizing the title and header to your satisfaction, there's one final step. Hit Publish to make your changes live. The Publish button is typically located in the top right corner of the editor. This ensures that all your adjustments are saved and visible to anyone who visits your site. And there you have it. A clear, engaging title for your page on Google Sites. Enjoy the creative process of designing your website and continue exploring Google Sites' array of tools to refine your online presence even further. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on building your site.